Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to stop spam calls on WhatsApp using one simple setting. If you are getting too many unknown or spam calls, this will help you mute them instantly. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. After that, tap on Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Calls. Here, turn on Silence Unknown Callers. Once you enable this, calls from unknown numbers will be muted automatically. They will still appear in your call log, but they will not disturb you. Also, these same steps are available on iPhone as well, so you can follow a similar process there too. So this is how you can stop spam calls on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.